Good morning, and today's vlog is all about, is Harley Davidson motorbikes slow or fast in acceleration? A lot of my friends over the last so many months have been keeping me going. Non-Harley Davidson motorbike riders, they have all their own bikes obviously, but they've been keeping me going seriously, really bad. So today, and for today only, I'm going to test this theory. I'm going to do a 0 to 60 in how many seconds? And I'm going to show them, but I'm also going to show you if Harley Davidson motorbikes are fast or not. This is going to be fun. Never done anything like this before, so this is a first for me. The road is a bit wet for the rain last night, so I'm going to have to be careful, and I'm going to have to try to drive in a straight line obviously as well. So I'm just going to talk a wee bit about my bikes. So the two bikes that I have now at the minute is that I have a 2002 Heritage Softail Classic, and it's been on a lot of my VRODs that I filmed recently over the last year, just over a year. And this is the first time I've actually filmed a VROD. Two bikes are completely different. The Heritage is very, wouldn't be fast, but it's luxury to ride. Just thinking when I'm doing this test, I hope the camera doesn't fly off, and the VROD is extremely quick. I'm going to test that theory this morning. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to park over in the straight road. This road test is probably about 2 miles from my house, and it's perfect for this type of test. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do this in one take. I've never done this before, so with me I've got the face camera here, which is mounted onto the handlebars of the bike, and I also have a chest harness, which is hopefully going to record the speedo, which you can see from 0 to 60. What you have to remember what Harley Davidson was back in the 1920s, 30s, 40s. He done a lot of bike racing, and they won so many trophies with their models that they designed. But you have to take into consideration too that a lot of these bikes are designed for cruising, and they're heavy bikes as well. But we're nearly there. We're about a mile from where I'm going to do this test ride, and I'm only doing 40 miles an hour, but the chill factor today feels like -10. I have to say, riding this VROD is great fun to do. It's very light compared to the Heritage. Here we go. Okay, here we go with this test, road test. Take one. Hopefully I'm going to do it in one take. 0 to 60 in how many seconds? 3, 2, 1, go! god! Wow! I made that at just over 4 seconds. I'm going to do it at a different angle just in case the camera wasn't picking up the speedo. Okay, here we go. Test number 2. 3, 2, 1, go! Cut! Okay, I'm going to do it at a different angle just in case my body camera didn't pick up the speedo. Again, just make sure there's no cars behind me, no cars at front. Okay, here we go. Test number 2, 3, 2, 1, go! Harley Davidson bikes are slow on the uptake.